This fact will completely change how you see your plumbing. Your clogged drain isn't just a nuisance. It's a fascinating chemical reaction. Every homeowner faces the dreaded slow-draining sink or shower. Our first instinct often involves pouring a chemical drain cleaner. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these liquids truly work? It's more than just magic. It's complex, powerful chemistry at play. Understanding this science helps you choose the right solution safely. Let's dive deep into the molecular world hidden in your pipes. First, we explore alkaline drain cleaners, often containing sodium hydroxide, commonly known as lye. This powerful base initiates a process. It reacts with fats and grease, turning them into a soap-like substance. This chemical transformation is called saponification, dating back centuries. The newly formed soap becomes more water-soluble, flushing away easily. Lye also breaks down proteins found in hair, dissolving the clog. It generates significant heat, speeding up these vital chemical reactions. However, this heat can sometimes damage older PVC pipes. Next, consider acidic drain cleaners, typically containing sulfuric acid. This extremely corrosive acid works differently. Through hydrolysis, sulfuric acid rapidly breaks down organic materials like hair and paper. It dehydrates these substances, essentially dissolving them into liquid. The strong oxidation power also helps to break stubborn grease clogs. Acidic cleaners also generate intense heat, even more than alkaline types.
Extreme caution is paramount due to corrosive fumes and splash hazards.
These powerful acids can severely damage certain metal pipes and fixtures. Then there are enzymatic or biological drain cleaners, a gentler option. These contain beneficial bacteria and enzymes, not harsh chemicals. The enzymes break down organic matter into smaller, digestible pieces. Bacteria then consume these smaller particles, naturally clearing the clog. This process is slower but far safer for your plumbing and environment. They are excellent for preventative maintenance, preventing future blockages. However, they are less effective on severely clogged, standing water drains. Sometimes these chemical reactions fail or even cause further damage. Mixing different cleaners can create dangerous, toxic gas releases.
For example, lye and acid produce violent, uncontrolled exothermic reactions.
Identify your clog type before selecting a specific cleaner. Never use chemical cleaners on a completely blocked or slow-draining toilet. Understanding the science empowers you to make smarter, safer choices. Knowing how they work prevents pipe damage and ensures effective cleaning. Ultimately, the best solution might involve a physical method, like snaking. Chemicals are powerful tools, but they require informed, responsible use. So next time, remember the intricate science happening beneath your sink. Every quick fix leverages complex chemistry you now understand better.
This knowledge saves money, prevents damage, and keeps your home flowing.
Choose wisely, and your plumbing will thank you for the scientific approach. Understanding the science behind everyday fixes makes you a smarter dyer. Always prioritize safety when handling any household chemicals. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations into the science of your home. This fact will completely change how you see your plumbing. Your clogged drain isn't just a nuisance. It's a fascinating chemical reaction. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations into the science of your home.